I've been adding a lot of movies and TV shows to my watch list on Disney Plus. I've watched like 3 movies so far, and it has been making my inner child so happy because look at all of these OG movies. If you did not grow up watching Disney Channel, I honestly feel bad for you, but I just love the way it's all organized and like how all of the movies and shows are like put together in the list. And if you're a real one, like if you really grew up watching Disney Channel, then you already know about Sunny with a Chance and Wendy Wu Homecoming Warrior. Like these just make my heart so happy, and best believe I'm gonna continue binge watching this. You guys are gonna have to work with me on this angle because I do not have a tripod. I didn't bring my tripod. And hopefully the quality isn't terrible. I've been messing with the f-stop, so I don't know how to change it. I'm at Washington Park in Denver. And when I tell y'all this park is huge, I got lost when I was walking the trail, and I don't know how many miles it is, but I did 2 miles. So I'm pretty sure it might be double that, like 4 miles. And where's my hand sanitizer? I really just want to practice my mindfulness, like how I've been learning in therapy, and growing my strength, strengthening my faith with Jesus. I've been going to church very often, actually, like twice a week now. And I'm also going to start serving on one of the worship teams, so that's really nice. So I got this book, You Said Yes, How Do I Start My New Life with Jesus. I got this from my church, Life Church, and I've been going to Life Church for probably like almost a month now, and I have not started this book yet because it's been a busy week and I haven't made time, but it is pretty much like similar to a devotional journal. And I want to say it's 30 days of like how to grow your faith like closer and all of that. Bear with me because I do not have my tripod. So something like that. And I received this book as a gift. It was from someone at like Peak City Church. So I've decided to follow Jesus. And another book, I think this one is like more in detail, but it is pretty short, so I feel like I could finish it in a decent amount of time. I also picked up this self-care devotional. I don't know if you can really see it. And I don't think it has prompts in it, like prompts where you can write. I think it's just a bunch of devotionals for you to read and reflect. And I also picked up Breath as a Prayer. I picked up these 2 at Barnes & Noble. But this one should have prompts that you can write. I think. I'm not sure because I have not really touched these yet. It's honestly so peaceful right now. This is truly fall weather in Denver. And I'm just sitting in the grass. I was gonna take my shoes and socks off, but I don't know how great people are with picking up after their dogs. I don't see any poo around me, but I just don't want to take that chance because that's really how you get grounded, just having your bare feet touch the ground.
You gotta smirk a little bit, babe. To the left. To the smirk to the left.
2, 3, look at it.
All right. All right. I'm so dead. All right. 3.
I look like Frida.
You can go.
Oh, God.